Love, thank you for on the camera. We're gonna talk about how I glue up the hollow cork birds and the bottom boards. I don't know where I came up with this idea. It's been so long ago since I've done this. I might say Tom Matus had some influence on me because he used to always talk to me about using West systems. So I use Titebond 3 as well as, back in the day, this was Elmer's expanding glue. It's the only expanding glue I can find. So mix them together just like this. Let's see how she flows. There we go. Simple and easy, easy and simple. The expanding glue obviously expands, and the Titebond 3 is a good water-based glue that evidently has some waterproof properties, because it says it right there. It's got to be true, right?
If it's on the label.
So then on this one, I just do this real quick. A liberal amount. Does that look liberal? Ha!
Sounds very political. What are you chewing? Mash. Ugh.
Then once we get this, now we're just simply going to put them together. Something like this. Give me a good little squeeze down, breast to tail, starboard to port, or bow to stern, however you want to do it. And then with the heaviest of lead weights that you can find, simple and easy and simple. Before I put them together, they always do have 2 pennies in there. So they're at least worth 2 cents. All right, I always mix Titebond 3 and whatever polyurethane expanding glue you can find. As always, thinking of you, we are.